Hi everybody, I hope you're having a lovely day. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and I have got July's edition of Asos and this is what it looks like. As always, if you're new to Asos Beauty Box, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what's inside this month's box, I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So Asos isn't a subscription box, it's just a monthly box that they started bringing out over a year ago now. I absolutely love it. The cost of the box is £12. Sometimes it is increased to £15. If they do collaboration type boxes like Clinique or Bobbi Brown, then the price does go up a little bit. Now in the UK, shipping I think is £3. I've taken out a £9.99 deal which entitles me to free next day delivery for a year. So for me, I'm saving and it means I get the box next day, which is really good. Now I've been away and this box has been out now for a week. They generally release them on the 1st of every month. Sometimes it's like a few days into the month, but generally it's the 1st. All links and everything related to this box I'll pop down below. So underneath this video you see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up the description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's see what's inside. It says go play and on the back it's time to plan your next adventure. This month's Asos box has us dreaming of our next getaway with our 6 hair and skincare travel essentials, all under 100 mils, so no airport stress. First up on our holiday checklist, you can't go anywhere without your go-to cleanser, so it's a good job we've got CeraVe's hydrating formula in a carry-on friendly size, great for hot temperatures. It's packed with 3 different ceramides and hyaluronic acid to help lock in moisture. For extra hydration, you'll be needing Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vitapower Serum to create a healthy looking summer glow. Plus ameliorates transforming body lotion to moisturize and exfoliate your skin. As for your in-flight essentials, Cosmeti's Green Tea Soothing Moisture Sheet Mask is ideal to use when skin's feeling dry and tired. Finally, let's talk hair. Posts on your hair will be craving extra TLC. Enter Pureology's thirst quenching shampoo and conditioner containing peppermint and corn mint essential oils to hydrate and give your hair a boost. And last but not least, add some texture with Bumble and Bumble surf spray for ultimate beach waves. So they sell all the products that are inside their boxes, so I'll go onto their website and I'll pop links down in the description if you want to learn a little bit more about the products, because that is the only information that we have. So these are the products. So the first item is a duo. So this is Pureology shampoo and conditioner, and these are in 50 mils. Ooh, why can't I hold them? My gosh. There. Can you see there? So these are Serious Colour Care Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner for dry coloured treated hair and 100% vegan, and yeah, that's all it says about it really there. So it's so for dry coloured treated hair, so perfect for me. Just a shame I came back from Greece yesterday. Never mind. So there's those. Then we got the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser and we've got 20 mils there. So there's that. And we've got a Bumble and Bumble. This is the surf spray and we have got 15 mils here. I had a few of these in subscription boxes which I'm yet to use. So I just add that to my collection. Next we got a Ameliorate Smooth Skin Science Transforming Body Lotion, and this is 50 mils with alpha hydroxy therapy. So that's what it looks like there. That sounds really nice actually, transforming body lotion. Let's have a little bit on my hand. Yeah, that's nice. Nice and fresh. So transforming body lotion, so there's that. Next we got the Bare Minerals, and this is the Skin Longevity Vitapower Infusion Serum. I've tried this before and it is brilliant. It is really lightweight, it absorbs well into the skin and it really suits my skin well. So perfect size, taken away anywhere or just not even, just staying at home, it doesn't really matter. So there's that. And lastly we've got a face mask by Cosmeti, and this is Green Tea Soothing Moisture Mask, and it says specially formulated jelly tea serum to soothe and plump skin, and it says thin customized 100% natural cellulose sheet minimizes irritation whilst maximizing adhesiveness. And there's that there. It's a Korean sheet mask. It sounds really lovely actually. It would have been so nice. It was so hot in Greece. Oh my word. I've never been to a place abroad where it's been so hot. It was like 36, 37 degrees and I love exploring and I couldn't. I had to have time out days just to chill, which I spent mostly in the sea. The kids preferred the pool, I prefer the sea. But yeah, it was so hot there. So I think having like a nice cooling face mask on my face at the end of the day, oh my gosh, that would have been all wonderful. Really lovely. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So this box costs £12 from Asos. There's some really lovely products in here. Oh, the serum wants to go. The serum wants to go. I've already got the Bumble and Bumble spray. I've tried the serum and I like it. I haven't tried the cleanser. The sheet mask sounds really nice and cooling. Lovely. This body transforming treatment sounds lovely as well. I've never tried that. I have tried Pureology shampoos and conditioners before. I'm not sure if I've tried this one or not, this range, the Hydrate one, but the ones I have tried I didn't like. It just left my hair feeling quite knotty and yeah, not great at all. I think they were the red ones, whatever the red ones may be, but no, the colour one, it seems more suited to my hair anyway, because it's dry and it's coloured. So whoops, the serum really wants to pop out the end there. Overall, for £12, I think you've got some really lovely products here. I just love Asos box. I love seeing what they're doing. I get really excited because with this box you get to see the product, so it's not a mystery box. You just go onto their website once they've released it and they tell you all in description the items you're going to get. So if you want it, you can get it. If you don't, then there's no subscription, so there's no commitment. So I do like it about them. But I have had this box every single month since they've released them, which has been over a year, maybe 18 months, maybe, I don't know. They also release men's boxes as well, and I think there is one up there, a skin essentials for men, maybe, or summer essentials for men. I can't remember the name of it now, but I'll pop it down in description. So if you're interested in taking a look, you're welcome to look there. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Have you got it yourself? Is it a box you're thinking of getting? And yeah, do you regularly get Asos boxes? All your thoughts and comments, please write down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.